UV damage is one of the most underestimated threats to front doors, yet it's often the primary reason doors fade, crack, and fail prematurely. Ultraviolet rays don't just discolor a door's surface. They actively break down the chemical bonds in paints, stains, and clear coats. Over time, this causes finishes to lose their protective qualities, becoming chalky, brittle, and unable to shield the door from heat and moisture. Doors that face south or west take the brunt of this damage, absorbing hours of direct sunlight every day during summer. Once UV exposure weakens the finish, the door itself becomes vulnerable. Wood fibers dry out and become more prone to splitting, while veneers and composite layers can begin to separate as adhesives degrade under prolonged heat and sun. UV damage also accelerates color fading, especially in darker stains and paints, making doors look uneven or washed out long before their time. These visual changes are often the first warning signs of deeper structural issues forming beneath the surface. The destructive cycle worsens when UV exposure combines with temperature swings and humidity. As the door heats up, materials expand. As it cools, they contract. Without a flexible, UV-resistant finish, this movement creates microcracks that allow moisture to penetrate. Over time, this leads to peeling, bubbling, and warping that can't be fixed with a simple repaint. UV damage is relentless and cumulative, which is why properly refinishing and protecting a front door is essential, not just for appearance, but for extending the door's lifespan well beyond a few short summers. Door Renew can refinish for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.